In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 budget to best air fryers 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 budget to best air fryers 2026 on Amazon. Number 1, Gourmia 14 QT Air Fryer Toaster Oven, all-in-one rotisserie oven with digital display, 12 presets, roast, bake, broil and dehydrate, dishwasher safe accessories. Stainless steel .14 quart large capacity spacious interior is ideal for preparing meals for families while offering plenty of room for larger portions. .12 one-touch presets easily prepare a variety of foods with convenient presets for air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, dehydrating, and more. All-in-one cooking versatility. Combines multiple cooking functions in one countertop appliance, helping save kitchen space. Digital display and easy controls. User-friendly digital controls make it simple to select cooking modes, adjust settings, and monitor your meal. Rotisserie cooking. Built-in rotisserie functionality allows you to roast whole chickens and other foods with even, flavorful results. Dishwasher safe accessories included. Accessory. Number 2, Ninja Air Fryer XL 6.5 QT, 6-in-1 air fryer with max crisp technology, 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 1750 W, air fry, roast, bake, reheat and dehydrate, fits up to 9 pounds of wings. Gray AF 181. XL 6.5 quart capacity spacious cooking basket holds up to 9 pounds of chicken wings, making it ideal for family meals and entertaining. Max crisp technology delivers intense heat and powerful airflow to create crispy, golden results with less oil. 6-in-1 cooking functions easily air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and use. Max crisp for versatile everyday cooking. High heat performance reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with a powerful 1750 W heating system for fast, efficient cooking. Easy to use controls. Simple digital controls make it convenient to select cooking functions, adjust temperature, and set cooking times. Family-friendly design. Large capacity provides plenty of room for main dishes, sides, and snacks while keeping countertop cooking convenient. The Ninja Air Fryer XL 6.5 QT AF 181 combines powerful performance and versatile cooking functions in a spacious countertop design. Featuring max. Number 3, Instant Pot Vortex 4 QT Mini Air Fryer, 6-in-1 compact air fryer with custom program options, air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake and reheat. Black. 4 quart compact capacity space-saving design is ideal for small kitchens, apartments, dorms, couples, and smaller portions. 6-in-1 cooking functions easily air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat a wide variety of everyday foods. Custom program options. Adjustable cooking settings give you greater control over temperature and cooking time for personalized results. Crispy results with less oil. Air frying technology helps create golden, crispy foods while using less oil than traditional frying. Easy to use controls. Convenient digital controls make it simple to select a cooking program, adjust settings, and monitor cooking progress. Mini countertop design. Compact footprint saves valuable counter space while still providing versatile cooking performance for everyday meals. The Instant Pot Vortex 4 QT Mini Air Fryer is a compact and versatile countertop appliance designed for convenient everyday cooking. Its 6-in-1 functionality lets you air fry, broil. Number 4, Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QT Air Fryer, 6-in-1 air fryer with air fry, broil, dehydrate, crisp, roast, reheat and bake functions. Dishwasher safe basket. Stainless steel. 6 quart family capacity spacious cooking capacity is ideal for preparing meals, sides, and snacks for families and gatherings. Versatile cooking functions. Enjoy multiple cooking options including air fry, broil, dehydrate, roast, reheat, and bake for everyday meal preparation. Crispy results with less oil. Powerful air circulation helps create crispy, golden foods while using less oil than traditional frying. Easy to clean basket. The dishwasher safe air fryer basket makes cleanup quick and convenient after cooking. Simple digital controls. User-friendly controls make it easy to select cooking functions, adjust temperature and time, and monitor your food. Stainless steel design. Durable stainless steel exterior provides a modern look that complements a variety of kitchen styles. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QT Air Fryer combines versatile cooking performance with a spacious family-friendly capacity. With multiple cooking functions, including air fry, broil, dehydrate, crisp, roast, reheat, and bake, it can handle everything from crispy snacks and roasted vegetables to baked dishes and reheated leftovers. Number 5. COSORI TurboBlaze 6QT Air Fryer, 9-in-1 with PFAS-free ceramic coating, 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 fan speeds, air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, proof, reheat and keep warm. 1725W.6 quart family capacity. Spacious basket is ideal for preparing family meals, snacks, and larger portions while maintaining a convenient countertop footprint. 9-in-1 versatile cooking includes air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm functions for flexible everyday cooking. PFAS-free ceramic coating features a PFAS-free ceramic coated